would like to read the directions at the top for 8 through 13? Raise your digital hand if you'd like to read the directions. Elijah, go ahead.
In 8 through 13, write the ordered pair for the point, use the grid.
Okay, so remember when they say ordered pair, that means this, right? Whoops, not a 0. Just putting a blank because I don't know what the ordered pair is, but that's an ordered pair, correct? Okay, with the parentheses and a comma separating them. And they're telling me to use this grid over here. Okay, so who would like to tell me where T is? What would be the ordered pair for T? Israel, what do you think? You're muted, babe.
I think it's 0, 5.
You think it's 0, 5. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Is he correct?
Yes.
Okay. If I start right here, he's saying I'm not moving over at all, but I am moving up 5 units. Is that correct? Very good.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Who wants to tell me where X is? What would be the ordered pair for X? Anthony?
4, 3.
4, 3. What do you guys think? Is he correct? Okay, because he's saying start at the origin, go over 4, and go up 3. So yes, he is correct. Good job. All right, what about Y? Who wants to tell me about Y? Brandon? What's the ordered pair for Y?
Um, 0, 1.
0, 1?
1. No, 1, 1. I mean, 1, 1.
1, 1?
Yeah.
1, 1? Do we agree with him?
Yes.
We do? I don't.
Yes.
I think he's half correct.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay, Elijah, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking 1, 0.
Okay, why do
Because
you think it's 1, 0?
Because you move over 1, you got that right, but you don't move up 1.
Okay, do you see that, Brandon?
Yeah.
Okay, does everybody see that? So he was right. Yes, we are going over 1, right? But we didn't even move off this x-axis, did we? Okay, so if it was 1, 1, it would be right here. Okay, that's kind of tricky. Like when they're on the axis like that, those are the trickiest ones for sure. Okay, what about W? Rita, can you tell me what the ordered pair would be?
3, 2.
3, 2. Do we agree with him?
Yeah.
Yes, I agree as well. Over 3, up 2. Very good. Okay, what about Z? Lyric, tell me what Z is.
1, 4.
1, 4, she says. Do you agree with her? Yes, I also agree. Very good. Okay, and what about S? Anthony, what about S?
5, 5.
He says 5, 5. Do we agree?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Okay, is that starting to make a little bit more sense? Okay, always make sure over and then up. Okay. All right, who would like to read the directions for 14 through 18? Raising your digital hand, please. Lyric, go ahead and read those directions for us.
In 14 through 18, graph and label the point for each ordered pair on the grid above.
Okay, so we're still using the same grid, only this time we're graphing it and labeling it. Okay, when they say label, they just mean put the dot and then the letter that represents the dot. Okay, so here's where you're going to describe for me what to do. Okay, so who would like to describe where L needs to be put? Okay, Israel, tell me how to get to L. I'm going to start at the origin, and what should I do?
Move over 2 and go up 2.
Move over 2 and go up 2. So what do I label this?
L.
L. Okay, very good. I'm going to do this because I know I did it. All right. Lyric, would you like to tell me how to graph M? How would I graph M?
You stay at the origin, and then you move up 3.
You move up 3. Okay, so why did I not move to the right at all?
Because it says it starts at 0. So
Okay,
you wouldn't move.
very good. Okay, and what's this label?
M.
M. Very good. All right, who would like to tell me where N goes? Anthony, where does N go?
Move 1 and go up 5.
Okay, so move which direction 1?
X.
Okay, so move over 1 and go up 5. And what's this label? N. Good. Okay. Guys, it's important that we use those words. Start at the origin, move over, or you can say move to the right this many times, and move up this many times. Okay? Otherwise, we're not really describing it. Okay? All right, so who would like to tell me about O? Rita, where will O go? Or tell me where. How?
Go 5 to the right and then go up 4.
Okay, very good. And what's this label?
S. I mean, O.
Oh, there you go. All right, and last one, we want the letter P. Antoine, tell me, how do I get P on there? Okay, so I know he wasn't unmuted, but he said go over 4 and go up 0. Okay, so then this would be P. Okay, any questions on how to graph? Lyric, do you have a question? Okay. All right, so now you're going to go over to your Canvas course and you have a graded quiz. Now, I need you to pay attention because this is different than it normally is. Okay? So, it says, look at the picture below. So, look here at this. Okay? You're not doing all of it. Okay? You're not doing numbers 1 through 6. It says you're doing numbers 7 through 11. Okay? Or, yes. So even this says 7 through 16. You're only doing 7 through 11. Do you see that? Okay, so you're going to be looking at this. It says name the point that is located at each ordered pair. Okay, so you're doing 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's 5 questions. Okay, so you need to just number it 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then you need to tell me the letter for that point. Okay, so for instance, I'm going to use number 16 since that's not one you're going to do. Okay, so I need to look at the ordered pair 2, 6. So I go over 2 and I go up 6 and that letter is H. Okay, so that tells me that if I was doing number 16, I would label it like this, 16, and then I would put an H. Okay, so that means that when you are turning this in today, you're numbering 7 through 11, and each of those should have a letter from the graph. Does that make sense? Any questions on that? All right, so I'm going to